how to turn on or turn off multi-language text prediction on a keyboard on a Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on General Management. And from here, scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. Next, in here, tap on Multi-Language Text Prediction. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Multi-Language Text Prediction. And it says Get Predicted Text in all of your supported input languages. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.